Are you ready for the Eigenlayer Airdrop? Let's get started right away. Eigenlayer is a protocol based on Ethereum that enables reuse in the consensus layer of Ethereum. Eigenlayer will issue tokens and distribute airdrop rewards. We see that the project has received serious investments. Therefore, it is important for us to earn Eigenlayer points and benefit from the airdrop rewards. The platforms I will show you shortly will distribute airdrop rewards like Eigenlayer. Therefore, when making a transaction, we will be prepared for the airdrop rewards of multiple projects. First, let's look at Renzo. If you have Ethereum on the Ethereum network, you can use the Renzo platform. Here, by converting your Ethereum into ES Ethereum, you will earn ES points. You will also earn Eigenlayer points. This project is really important and may have the possibility of listing on Binance. Our second platform is Kelpdao. Here, if you stake Ethereum, you will earn both Eigenlayer and Kelp points as well as additional points. Kelpdao may also issue tokens in the near future. On these platforms, you can stake the Ethereum you convert on Pendle Finance. Here, with different APR rates, you have the opportunity to earn interest. But remember that you need to lock the Ethereum you convert for a certain period. You can also use the Zircuit platform for staking. As you stake, you will earn Zircuit points, and these points will be important for Zircuit's airdrop reward. Using this platform is also important for earning Eigenlayer points. Yes, that's all. I'm explaining the airdrop possibilities to you by evaluating them. It's your decision whether to invest or connect your wallet to projects. Please do thorough research before investing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next video.